Hello, my fellow creators, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I decided I would pull out some of my 6x6 papers from my stash, along with some of these colored images that I had in a bucket I keep with all my leftover colored images. I was watching a video by Jess Crafts and pulled in one of her 6x6 one-sheet wonders templates to use. I used template number 2, and you can find her templates on her blog at jesscrafts.com. So I went ahead and pre-cut all my 6x6 papers and the mats using the scraps I had for matte colors in my stash as well. And then I pulled in some of these pre-printed sentiments that I downloaded from Gina K Designs and thought these would be cute to use as sort of thank you cards for our healthcare workers. I had done some cards for healthcare workers at the beginning of this pandemic as a way of thanking them for all their hard work. And I think I'll do it again. I don't want them to think that they have been forgotten amidst all this craziness. So I'm just going to put together all my pattern paper and my images with these sentiments I printed and cut. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end. I was able to complete 12 cards using this sketch and papers, images I had in my stash. Let me know in the comments below if you keep a stash of pre-colored images. I'd be thrilled if you subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day.